Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is my day 2 of my 21 day English speaking challenge. Yesterday was my day 1 and I was very nervous, but I did it. I did it. And today I come back because I made a promise with me and my audience. So I have to do it, and I will keep my promise every day. Yesterday was my day first, and I introduced about myself, and I also specified this challenge. This is 21 days challenge. It is a continuously uh, where I am speaking around 2 to 3 minutes every day in English, anything. There is a 21 day and 21 video in continuously manner. So it is all about 21 day challenge. So did you watch it? If no, please go and first watch day 1 video. I also mention day 1 video link in the description box. Today is the day 2nd, and I will talk about my daily routine. So usually I wake up early morning around 5 o'clock. After that I meditate, and I plan whole day. And I also invest some time in morning to upskill myself, my tech knowledge. Actually I am working professional, and I work around 8 hours Monday to Friday. So my job start from 10:30 to 7, and from before 10:30 I complete my all household chores, and I usually make breakfast or lunch together in the morning. And in lunch I warm that lunch, and after that we eat around 1:30. And after that I go for rest 20 to 30 minutes, and in evening around 7 o'clock I finish my office work, and I wind up my tasks and wind up my office. And after that I go for walk with my family, and when I come home, I prepare a dinner, and my all family members sit together and eat dinner. And after that I work on my English communication skills. I made a video, and I also editing done editing. so uh, and uh, ar- and around 10:30 or 11 I sleep in the night. This is my daily routine. And I have a one question for you. I have a one question for you. Did you wake up early morning? If yes, please comment here. When will you wake up? When are you wake up in usually in the morning, and what did you do in the morning? And are you a morning person? Are you are you like to wake up in morning? If yes, please comment here and write any one sentence. Even one word is okay for me. I will read and read all the comments, and I feel happy to reply your comments. If you are new here, please subscribe and press bell icon. I upload daily. I upload a new video on the daily basis around 21 days. So you will get a notification of my videos. This was my day 2, and tomorrow is my day 3. Please come here and watch my videos and support me. Thank you so much. I am Kusum, and I am speaking up every single day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.